Welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on international trade law. जी हाँ, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड लॉ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पेशलाइजेशन पेपर है एमबीए कोर्स में जो कि एकेटीयू में पढ़ाया जाता है एंड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड लॉ के सिलेबस एकेटीयू के सिलेबस के हिसाब से ये बनाया गया है। शुरुआत में ही मैं आपको बता दूं व्यूवर्स दैट यू कैन refer to even other subjects like intellectual MCQs on intellectual property right and foreign trade of India। उसमें से भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं। ये सारे हमारे YouTube चैनल आर क्लासेस के प्लेलिस्ट में दिए हुए हैं। By the way, this is part 2. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Economic nationalism is a term used to describe policies which are guided by the idea of protecting domestic A. Consumption, B. Labor, C. Capital formation, D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 2. General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade GATT agreement covers the following basic elements. A. Protection shall be afforded to domestic industries through customs tariffs, not through such commercial measures as import quotas. B. Trade shall be conducted on a non-discriminatory basis. C. Consultation shall be the primary method used to solve global trade problems. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 3. WTO stands for correct option is A. World Trade Organization. 4. Developing countries make up about, in fact, 3/4 of the world trade membership. And let me tell you that under the watchdog of WTO, more than 90% of world trade takes place. 5. WTO agreements include A. Goods, B. Services, C. Intellectual property rights, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 6. WTO has an objective of reducing tariffs to, correct option is C. 0. 7. The present WTO system is based on the Uruguay agreements. Correct option is B. 8. GATT stands for, correct option is A, the General Agreement on Trade in Services. 9. TRIPS provide adequate protection of intellectual property in the following categories: A. Copyrights, B. Trademarks, C. Patents, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 10. Selling the product at below the ongoing market price and oblique or at the price below the cost of production is known as, correct option is A, dumping. 11. Day-to-day work in between the ministerial conferences handled by A, the General Council, the Dispute Settlement Body, the Trade Policy Review Body, D, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the above. In fact, these are the main body are parts of the structure of WTO. 12. The following council or councils report to the General Council, and they all those bodies come directly under General Council. By the way, A. Goods Council, B. Services Council, C. TRIPS Council, D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 30. Following is oblique are advantage or advantages of joining WTO. A. Free trade cuts the costs of living. B. Free trade reduces the manufacturing cost. C. Governments are shielded from lobbying. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. 4. GATT was a forum for member countries to A. Negotiate a reduction of tariffs. B. Remove barriers to trade. C. Both A and B. D. None. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 15. Following is the function or functions of WTO. A. Specialized help for export. B. Global economic policy making. C. Helping developing and transition economies. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 16. International Trade Center was operated by, correct option is C, jointly by WTO and United States. 17. Total members in the WTO at present are, correct option is D, 164. 18. Which of these institutions is not a part of the world community? Which of these institutions is not a part of the World Bank community? Yes. So A. IFC, B. IDA, C. WTO, D. IBRD. The correct option is C. WTO. Rest, they are the affiliates of World Bank, IBRD, that is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, that came into being in 1945. Then International Financial Corporation 1956 and International Development Association 1960. These are all World Bank affiliates. 19. Along with the World Bank and dash, WTO is the third economic pillar of the worldwide dimensions. Obviously, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. 20. Which of the following statements is false? The correct option is A. India's vote share in the International Monetary Fund is 10%. That is false. 21. Among the following options, which is not the objective of the WTO? Correct option is B. To improve the balance of payment situation of the member countries. 20. TRIPS, that is trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. Agreement is administered by WTO. 23. Who is most recently appointed the ambassador and permanent representative of India to WTO? Brajendra Navaneet. In fact, this also needs to be changed. Please Google it. May happen that even new change might have occurred. By the way, this was the all about particular video. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.